Thank you, Honorable Friend Kimovich Kirima, Chair Trained representing Nyaki West for the motion. Clerk, can we take the next order?
Order number 7, statements. Next order. Order number 8, motion by leave of the House.
Order members, we have one motion by the leave of the House, and this one is supposed to be moved by Honorable Gacheri Mudhuri. Honorable Gacheri Mudhuri, please take the floor.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I want to come to the front and read the report from there, please.
Please, please.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir. My name is Honorable Gacheri Mudhuri, a nominated member by the Jubilee Party in this August House, and the Chairperson Sectoral Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion. Mr. Speaker, sir, I have a report by the committee to the County Assembly against, that is a report on the complaints by His Excellency the Deputy Governor, Meru County, to the County Assembly against his alleged exclusion from County Executive Committee meetings and non-facilitation of his office. Mr. Speaker, this report was compiled by the committee in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya 2010, County Government Act 2012, the County Assembly's Powers and Privileges Act 2017, and the County Assembly of Meru Standing Orders. The report documents all activities of the committee throughout the entire investigation, where the committee received comprehensive briefs from His Excellency the Deputy Governor and the persons adversely mentioned by him in his submissions before the committee. The committee extensively scrutinized the documentation and submitted by various witnesses. The committee developed a schedule for inviting relevant persons to shed more light into the issues raised by His Excellency the Deputy Governor, and some invitees honored the invites, while others failed to honor nor respond to the summons issued by the committee. The committee contains summaries of various submissions submitted to the committee during the investigations. Recommendations of the committee. The county treasury do establish sub-vote end within the vote end of the office of the governor and all planning documents to ensure the office of the Deputy Governor is well funded to discharge its constitutional mandate, and in the failure of the county treasury to do so, the county assembly be free to establish the first county treasury, the first supplementary budget for the year 2023-2024 or 2024-2025 financial year. Number 2 of the recommendations, the Meru County Public Service Board do direct the reinstatement of one Patrick Nkonga and Paul Kamati as the personal assistant of the senior driver respectively under their previous contract terms, and ensure their personnel enrollments and entitlements for the period that they have been removed from the payroll are paid within a month from when this report is adopted by the county assembly. Number 3, that the county Public Service Board is hereby directed to immediately desist from delegating the appointing authority to the officers who are not stipulated in the section 86(1) of the County Government Act 2012. Number 4, the County Public Service Board commences disciplinary action against the Chief of Staff for issuing acknowledgement letters of non-existent resignation letters pursuant to Section 54 F of the County Government Act 2012. Number 5, the committee also recommends that the Deputy Governor be reinstated to his office that befits his stature as a duly elected Deputy Governor of Meru County. The committee notes that I'll repeat number 5 of the recommendations. The committee also recommends that the Deputy Governor
Honorable Hacheri, please read the whole report from page 1 to the last page, please.
Noted, Mr. Speaker, I'll do that.
Yes.
Okay. The committee also recommends that the Deputy Governor be reinstated to his office that befits its stature as the duly elected Deputy Governor of Meru. The committee notes that the public resources were spent to make the office suitable to host a Deputy Governor, so the office should serve its purpose. Number 6, the County Assembly finds the Governor, the CEC Finance, and the County Secretary, the Chief of Staff, and the Fleet Manager in violation of Article 195 and the Constitution, together with the Section 18 and 22 of the County Assembly Powers and Privileges Act, and this honorable House may take any action that it's deemed fit against the officers. Pursuant to the Orders 195, it is my present duty to present to the House the report of the Committee Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion and Communication emanating from the Deputy Governor of Meru County regarding lack of facilitation and exclusion from the Executive Committee meetings. Mr. Speaker, on Tuesday, 19th September 2023, during the morning sitting, the presiding speaker made communication regarding 2 letters dated 30th August 2023, referenced DG SP CAM 2/2023 and DG SP CAM 01/2023 from His Excellency the Deputy Governor of Meru, which was subsequently committed to the Sectoral Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion for consideration and report back to the House on or before 17th October 2023 as annexed in Annexure 1. It is this regard that the committee resolved to invite the Excellency Deputy Governor to appear before the committee to shed light on the issues raised in the aforementioned letters, Annexure 2. This consultative meeting took place on Friday 29th September 2023, starting from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the County Assembly Chambers. The mandate of the committee. Mr. Speaker, the Sectoral Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion is established under the Standing Orders number 190 of the County Assembly of Meru, Standing Orders, with a mandate to, among others, inquire into, report on all matters relating to intergovernmental relations and coordination, constitutional affairs, the administration of law and justice, ethics, good governance, integrity, and anti-corruption measures, and protection of human rights, civic education, and workforce. 2, all matters relating to participation of communities in governance at local level, including measures being taken to develop administrative capacity to ensure citizen participation, all matters relating to constitution and cooperation between the national and county governments, establishing mechanisms for resolution of intergovernmental disputes pursuant to Articles 6 and 189 of the Constitution and other relating matters. Number 3, all matters relating to coordination of security and disaster management, including collaboration of the county and national government of security and disaster management, alternative dispute resolution, and other forms of dispute resolution involving intra-conflicts, such relating matters. It is therefore pursuant to this function, the mandate of the committee was established under the following terms of reference. 1, investigating the deputy governor's letters addressed to the county assembly. 2, ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations. 3, recommendations, actions, or solutions to address the issues raised. And 4, to lay a report of the committee on the table of the Honorable for the purposes of consideration and adoption of the Assembly. Mr. Speaker, the committee consists of, number 1, Gasheri Mudhoni Mudhuri as the chairperson. Number 2, Benson Kirinya as the vice chairperson. The members are Honorable Dorsin Kawira, Honorable Caleb Kibuko Mutedia, Honorable Haron Duanira, Honorable Patrick Mutuma, Honorable Martin Kome, Honorable Maurice Ntarangwe, Honorable Kenneth Maingi Mutwiri, Honorable Patrick Murigi, Honorable Kangwana Duncan, Honorable Sekondina Kanini, Honorable John Edeba, Honorable Godwin Bioki, Honorable Catherine Kamadi, Honorable Grace Kambura, Honorable Edith McKenna, Honorable Josephat Kenyamuna, Honorable Stephen Gakure Nchebere, Honorable Timothy Mutwiri, Honorable Josephat Barrow, and Honorable John Muguna. The Secretariat, Mr. Speaker, included Tede Gekunda as the clerk, Lindsay McKenna as the research officer, Mr. Mwenda Kinoti in the Ansant, Mr. Baptista Mureki in the legal department, and Madam Teresa Mukiri in the Sergeant of Arms office. The background and information. The Sectoral Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs and Cohesion invited the Deputy Governor to appear before the committee on 25th September 2023, but he was not able to appear on the scheduled date because he was hospitalized in Nairobi. However, he sent a written apology through a letter dated 22nd September 2023, which is referenced DG/CK/CAM/1/2023, requesting the committee to reschedule the meeting to a later date, Annexure 3. The request was granted and the meeting was rescheduled to take place on 29th September 2023 at 9 a.m. at the County Assembly Precincts. Honorable Speaker, the Deputy Governor appeared before the committee on the scheduled dates and the time, and the following submissions to make under the oath and before the cameras, Mr. Speaker. Submissions from His Excellency the Deputy Governor. 2.1. First, lack of facilitation of the office of the Deputy Governor. His Excellency the Deputy Governor informed the committee that his office had not received any form of facilitation from the month of April 2023. Initially, he received some amount of 50,000 Kenya shillings from the CCM Finance to run the office, which was increased to Kenya shillings 200,000, but the amount was completely withdrawn in April 2023. The Deputy Governor confirmed to the committee that he has been using his own personal resources to run the office, which has become difficult and limiting him in delivering his services to the people of Meru. Annexed and are the receipts of his expenditure in Annexure number 4. His Excellency the Deputy Governor cited various incidences where he was not facilitated. They include, but not limited to: 1, fueling is car to Nakuru State Lounge, where the Meru County leaders were invited for consultative meeting with the President of Republic of Kenya and also catering for welfare of his secretariat. Number 2, not being facilitated to attend the Evolution Conference held in Eldoret in mid-August 2023, an event that was critical in the county governance matters. Number 3, he further informed the committee that that his efforts to seek reimbursement from the fuel and accommodation bills from the CCM Finance Department have been futile. The Deputy Governor informed the committee that lack of facilitation for his office as direct implication on the welfare of Meru County people, citing the limitation to carry out his constitutional mandate as duly elected Deputy Governor of Meru County. He also